I have another set of blind bags to open. Let's see what's inside. All right, I forgot to look before I turned the camera on to see when exactly I ordered these and how long they took, but that information will be in the blog post, so be sure and hop over there if you're interested. I buy my blind bags off of eBay. I've got a blog post on my blog that talks about exactly how I look for these and what I look for, how I search for it on eBay. And it's complete with screenshots. So I will put a link to that in today's blog post, which will be linked in the video description below. So let's open this up and let's see what I got. I think this is the cups models, I think is the one that was going to arrive first. So we will see. There's where I do it. So let's get this opened. And once I dump these out, you can see what's in the first one. All right, so there should be 10, so let's double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. So let's see what's in the first one. It's always like Christmas. And let's take that tape off of my tray. I don't need that because I've got the camera backed up. All right, so let's see. Yeah, that's what I thought. These are the ones that are the drink models. I order 2 sets at a time, so I never know which one's going to come first. All right, we've had this one before. It's like a stemmed wine glass with a square bottom. I love, you can't, in my opinion, you can't get too many of the glassware. And let's move you down a little bit now. There we go. All right, you can't get too many repeats on glassware and drinkware, so that I'm cool with it being a repeat. So let's get into the next bag. All right, bag number 2. Let's see what we, whoops, that one shot all the way across the room. All right, so there were 2 in there. Interesting. They made a mistake, so I got 2 pieces. There's like a glass mug or beer stein, I guess, and a little stemmed glass with a blue bottom on it. I don't think I've ever gotten one with 2 pieces in it before, so that's kind of cool. This has some, whoops, cut glass type details in it. All right, let's see what's in the next bag. All right, bag number 3. I love the fact these open so easily. All right, let's see what we got. All right, we've had this one before. It's like a cut glass. I say glass loosely. It's plastic, obviously. Like a cut glass stein. I'm getting quite a set of these, if I remember correctly. So those will look cool in a scene. Let's see what's next. All right, bag number 4. What have we got? Do I feel a handle? What do I feel? Yep, okay, we've had this one before. It's another plain stein. Hope you guys aren't getting bored with these. This is one of the ones I want to try to figure out a way to turn it into like a pitcher trying to figure out a way to add a spout to the front. And since I'm getting quite a few of these, I think I can experiment and see what I can do. So let's see what's next. All right, bag number 5. Let's see what we got. Hopefully you guys aren't getting bored seeing the same things over and over, but like I said, I love having multiples of these. And okay, so this is our repeat. We've got a repeat, and like I said, that's okay with these. So we've got 2 of these cut glass steins now. 2 more, I should say. So let's see what's next. Number 6 is up next. All right, let's see what we got. This. All right, and we've got a repeat of this one. Of this one. So we've got another one of those. Definitely I'll have enough that I can play with to see if I can make a picture with it. So let's see what's next. And let's see what's in number 7. This is small. Oh, another one of these little cut glass glasses. I love these. They're one of my favorite pieces we get in these. So I am really happy to see another one of these. Let's see what's next. All right, what does bag number 8 hold? Let's see, this one doesn't want to open. Oh, I think I feel a foot. It's okay. We've got this one. It's a taller stemmed glass. This one has a oops, it's going to roll all over. It's got a nice little detail. Hopefully you're seeing that on the stem. Another one, I think we've got the same or similar, and I love this particular one. I'm getting enough that I'm going to be able to fill some of these on videos, on tutorials, to show you how to use them in a scene. So let's see what's next. All right, number 9. Let's see what we got. I think I felt a stem on it. Yeah. Oh, another one of these little ones with the blue foot. Those are really pretty. I like those. That's another one that would be really pretty in a scene. So let's see what the last bag holds. And finally, number 10. Let's see what we got. And another one of, is that the same as this one or different? Yeah, that's exactly the same. Another one of the, what I call cut glass glasses. So let me, excuse me, let me clear my throat and get the camera backed up to a better position, and we'll look at all of these together. All right, here's all of what we opened. I know they're hard to see with the, no matter what color background I do, they're going to be difficult to see. We got a bonus this time since the second bag had an extra piece in it. We actually have 11 pieces, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's pretty cool. We got repeats, and with these, I'm really happy to get repeats. Be sure and hop over to the blog. I'll have photos of each one that will show better detail, and I'll also do like I did last month, and I think it was last month, I took pictures of Mrs. Doll holding some of the different ones that I could make her hold, so that you could kind of get an idea of how they fit scale-wise with our 1/12 scale dolls. I love these. I hope you guys aren't getting bored with these. What I usually do, excuse me, I don't know what's wrong with my voice today. What I usually do when I order the blind bags, I order 2 sets, one of these drinking containers, glassware type ones, and one of something else. That way I know at least one set will be stuff I love, and the other set, it's kind of up in the air. Some of them are really good. Some of them are like ones I had, I think it was November I posted that video, where they were pretty much, it was pretty much a fizzle. It just, there wasn't a lot there. But like I said, be sure to hop over to the blog post. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button, leave me a comment. What kinds of things would you like to see in future videos? If you enjoy my content and haven't subscribed, I encourage you, hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you know when I put up a new video. Thank you very much for watching today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.